I don't buy new cars, I don't buy brand names. I go to Goodwill for my clothes. I like to save money, I like to find bargains. It's the life I chose. I throw nothing away, I'll find a use another day for all this junk I keep. My neighbors all hate me, they abuse and berate me, 'cause I like doing it cheap. Yeah, I like doing it cheap. Welcome to another episode of Doing It Cheap. Well, how y'all doing? Today's video, I'm going to show you how to beef up the chain and bar on the Stihl MS180C chainsaw. No, it's Camden's. We're gonna beef up the bar and chain on the MS180C chainsaw made by Stihl. I was at the Stihl dealership and I was complaining about this little narrow ass chain that's on here. Although it cuts well, hell, I wear them out, man. But this has got it's a real narrow chain. And I asked him, I said, is there any way we can go to a bigger, heftier bar and chain on this saw? He said, no. That's all you can do. Well, I got to looking on YouTube, and there's a real nice young man. His channel is DonnyBoy73, DonnyBoy 73 or 73, DonnyBoy73, DONY Boy 73, and he showed how to go from this bar and chain to a heftier one, and I give him full credit. This is not my idea. This is something that he taught and showed how to do, but I wanted to show my subscribers. My bar and my chain just got plumb wore out, but now I've had this same bar for almost 5 years. But when I run the adjustment out as far as I could, my chain was still loose, so this chain is just plumb wore out. So I was waiting until I needed to buy another bar or replace the bar before I actually went ahead and made this change. And the bar part number by Stihl is 3005 0004809. If you want to, you want to pause the video there to write down that part number. 3005 000 4809. And this is a 14-inch bar because we are going to a heavier, thicker, wider chain. And that chain part number is 3613 005 0050. And I was sort of saying, well, I don't know, is that really any thicker? I mean, I looked at it and I said, that don't look much different. Oh, if you ever need a new spark plug, NGK 4921 BPM 7Y. I went ahead and got one from them, even though this thing is run perfect. I've never had the first bit of trouble out of this saw. Nothing. I run it out of gas every time you use it. I never leave gas sitting in it. This daggum thing has never failed me. Starts easy. And on a previous video, I told you it had easy start. It don't have easy start, but it is easy to start. So, I was very pleased with it, and I said it had easy start because the factory rep told me it did.
but it doesn't. But just want to show you the difference. Show you the difference in the teeth. Let's see, get in there. Don't know if that focus in there or not. See right here. There's a, yeah, here we go. Now you can see it. Substantial difference in this new one versus the old, versus the old one. Anyhow, that's what you do. Use those two part numbers. I'm not going to waste time on the video, me just installing it, because if you got a chainsaw, you know I do this. But I just want to tell you about it. I'm very pleased to have discovered this, and they told me at the Stihl dealership that the reason that they wouldn't tell me that I could go to a heavier chain is because it would void the warranty on the saw itself, because it's not made to use the wider chain. Yeah. This wider chain is going on there. Like I said, I don't do logging with it, I just trim limbs. By God, this thing's gonna throw chips now. All right. Well, I'm gonna see how it'll work. I've got it all installed now. Oh yeah. Yeah, I really like that. That sucker cuts now, boy. It's like using a chipper. Anyway, many thanks to Donnie Boy 73. Again, I didn't come up with this idea. I copied it from him, and I wanted to share it with my subscribers as well, in case you hadn't come across him before. So, y'all have a wonderful day, and I'll better tomorrow.